Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Outdoor Muslim Family. Today we will have a whole day adventure inshallah. But before all of them, let's eat breakfast. We're gonna make a delicious pancake first inshallah. You ready? Want to help me?
Yes.
Let's make it. Yay. Start with 400 grams of flour. Shift.
Shift.
Yeah, and then we can add the others.
Make a magic.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna add the others like sugar and salt and baking powder. Wow, it is like a flour mountain.
Yes.
What is the next ingredient?
Sugar.
Sugar. 3.5 tablespoons, I guess. Yeah, 3.5 tablespoons.
Like this.
Yep, that's 1 tablespoon.
Sugar.
1, 2.
2.
Oh, that one is not so full. Maybe you can make it 4 tablespoons if like that.
Mama, look, I can open this and close it.
Yeah, that is salt, right? 3.
4.
That one is not full. Okay, give more.
A little bit more.
Yeah, 1 teaspoon more. And another. Another. It's a little. It should be full. Okay, that's enough, inshallah.
Okay.
Omar, look at me. What is that in your nose? Do you know what is in your nose and your cheek? Oh my god. You look funny. And what is the next ingredient? Salt.
Salt.
3/4 teaspoon of salt.
This
Someone
one.
to help? Yes.
This.
3/4 teaspoon is
This
like 1
one.
teaspoon of that. Yes.
Okay.
1 ice cream teaspoon. Ice cream teaspoon. Yep. That will be alright because we're gonna add solid butter in the end, so not too much.
I make a rain.
Great. Next is baking powder.
Don't worry, I'm going to close it. I can.
What is that, Omar? Sugar snack? Okay. The morning is okay. Asma also. Hamza also, of course. Okay, I'm gonna add the baking powder. Okay.
Asma. Yum.
Next is 2 eggs. Crack the eggs. Bam. And another egg. Okay, then we can mix this with water, milk, and melted butter. Yeah. Finish the ingredients.
I also want to make some. Okay, now it's your turn.
Hamza, I need to get this here. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you can whisk. Next, I will add the milk and water.
Yes.
200 milliliter of milk and 160 of water. Start with the milk.
Yeah. Okay.
Not yet. Wait.
Oh, wait.
Bismillah. Okay. So you two, please combine them.
Now add it.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Yeah. Add more, Omar. Ooh. Add more? Just quick. You can add all of them at once. Yes. Then I will add the water.
I want to also put
Okay, Hamza, take turn with Omar, yeah? Hamza,
Omar.
add the water.
Yeah, because you add the milk.
So put teamwork. Okay. Okay, let this to be mixed first, and then you can add the water. Especially bring the powder part. Yes. I will prepare the butter.
Now.
Yeah.
Look how soft it is.
Silky smooth.
Yeah. it's so smooth. It's not too hard for me. But to me. But I think I am stronger. So I can do this easier. I can do this easier than Asma. I can do this easier than Hamza. Water. I can do this easier than Hamza, right? Now it's my turn. The whisk is grip tight. My turn. I can mix so fast. My turn. I can mix so fast. It's me. Look how soft it is. Look how soft it is. Why not put it here? That's amazing. The dough is just soft. Put it here. No. I want to be in the video. Okay. I mean it. Yeah. Okay. The dough is soft now.
Melted butter. Then we mix this with the pancake. Excuse me, it's hot pan.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to mix
It's about
in
40
this.
grams of butter.
I'm going to.
Splash to you? Sorry. Okay, now you can mix them.
I'm going to mix in.
Here we have the pancake batter and the pan. We will use like a medium-low heat to
Yes.
cook the pancake.
Yes.
Yep, we need a spatula or not a spatula. What is this called? A
Yeah.
spoon like this.
This thing. It is this thing.
Okay, want to try?
And to also.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll try after Omar. Okay, I think you better bring this closer because it's dripping. See?
Omar.
Okay, Bismillah.
I will do it.
Okay, Hamza after Omar, yeah? Bismillah. Yeah, this is the largest pancake I ever made so far.
Yeah, me too.
Want to eat it?
Yeah, I made it.
You want it with blueberries? Okay, so this will be for Hamza first, maybe? Without blueberry?
To do it.
Okay, you will make it by yourself. So this is for Asma first, okay?
Yeah, Asma first.
Okay. After about a minute, it becomes bubbly like this. And now it's time to flip it. Bismillah. Bang. Yeah. Looks normal.
Yes.
Yummy. Okay, first pancake is
I
done.
love chocolate and then maple syrup.
Chocolate and maple syrup?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make it.
Yeah.
Chocolate first.
Chocolate first and then maple syrup.
Uh,
I'm waiting until the drops is finished.
yeah. Okay, Hamza. Can you hold the plate, Asma? Because I'm holding Khalid too. So my
I hold the plate.
both of my arms are busy. Okay, chocolate and maple syrup it is. Lot of calorie in the morning. Yeah, because we're gonna do lots of outdoor activities, inshallah. So it's okay. We need the calories. Okay.
And maple syrup.
Maple syrups too. Sure. Let's bring the maple syrup.
Mama.
This is maple syrup from Canada. Whoosh. Bismillah. Ooh, yummy. Okay, Bismillah and enjoy your food, Asma.
It's my
Nice. Want to eat it? Say Bismillah.
turn.
Yay. And they already lined up for the pancakes. Alhamdulillah. Next is Hamza. Let's bring it closer, Hamza. Wait. Okay. And Bismillah. 2 scoops. And one more. Yeah, quickly. One more so that they will cook at the same time. Yeah. MashaAllah. Good job. Now we just wait for about 1 minute until they got bubbly and then flip them. Bismillah. Okay, come to the difficult part.
Yeah, flipping.
Let's see if Hamza can flip by himself.
Yeah,
Bismillah, Hamza.
Can you see all the bubbles?
Okay, Hamza, you can try. So bubbly.
And also you can see all the bubbles.
First, you bring it to the edges, like break the attachment between the pancake and the pan. See? Okay. After you break the attachment, you scoop from underneath and try to flip it. Bismillah. Okay. A bit spilled, but it's not so bad.
Yeah, it's not so bad.
A bit messy, yeah.
Not so bad. It's not so bad. Come on, the pan is dirty now. It's
Bismillah.
not so bad.
It's okay. It's part of learning. Yeah. And
But-
next time you're gonna be better, inshallah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be
Yes.
better than Hamza.
Are you so confident?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I wanted just one scoop of it. Now we have to scoop it and put it in
Yeah.
your plate.
Bismillah.
Okay.
Hamza's first self-made pancake ever.
I couldn't do this.
Okay, you hold the plate then. Can you hold the plate? Yeah, I'm gonna help you with the pancake. Bismillah.
Sometimes it broke a piece.
Yeah, it's okay. There's a lot of crunchy things. This part is crunchy. Okay. Maple syrup pancake for Hamza. Okay, Bismillah. Woo, beautiful pancakes for the family. Alhamdulillah. Now Umar's turn to make blueberry pancake. 2 scoops. Yeah. And another one. Yep. Looks good. Okay, now put the spoon here. And quickly add the blueberries.
Yeah, quickly
Yeah.
add the blueberries.
We're using a frozen blueberry from, I think, North America.
I
Kirkland is from-
can't.
You cannot? Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Okay, now I want to sprinkle it.
Yeah. See, it's so juicy. Yeah, you like all of them. A lot, right? Okay, now just wait until it's cooked.
I'm gonna be more extra careful.
You think you can flip by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, I need to make sure it's a fully bubble.
Yeah, it's already bubbling. Maybe a little bit more time.
Okay. Maybe a little bit more time. Well, this is the spatula for getting the pancake out.
Okay. I think you can try now. Bismillah.
Okay.
You can detach from the edges first. That's
That's a little mistake. Right.
it's so sticky actually. It's the juice from the blueberry juice make it more sticky. Okay, now you can try to flip it. Bismillah. Like Hamza.
Yeah, but it doesn't leak out
Yeah,
so much.
you need to have more. I mean, when you flip it, in a more confident way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Oh
it's
my.
not too much messy.
Okay, still edible, still delicious. Okay, just cook a little bit more to cook both sides. Bismillah.
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa, that's a lot.
I think this is enough.
Okay. Blueberry pancake, chocolate maple syrup pancake, and maple syrup pancake. Yum! Bismillah.
I'm blueberry apple syrup pancake.
Bismillah. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina adzabannar.
Oops, bismillah. Bismillah.
Alhamdulillah, now everyone is eating their breakfast. Yummy. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You say wait.
Still chewing, abang. Still chewing. You like it, Khalid? Alhamdulillah. Your brother fed you?
Wait, go Holland.
Yum. Inshallah.
I got some small bites.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Everybody Wait, slowly. He needs to chew them, you know. Nice. Sharing is good. Alhamdulillah.
This.
Alhamdulillah, now the kids already ate their breakfast and we want to do some activities outside. So I hope you enjoy this video and you can try our recipe and see you later in our next adventure. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Bye.